Okay, so good morning, everyone, and welcome to another session of 130 Technicals. For those of you that are new, this is basically a market outlook session. We get to see opportunities that the market has for us today on daily, and then we do it from Tuesdays to Fridays every week. And after the session, the video is always posted on YouTube for those that want to watch or those that missed the session. And those that are watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe to the channel. So let's without further ado, let's dive into the agenda of today. So we start with our fundamentals. Yeah, so today we have mid impact news up until low impact news up until 12:45, where we'll have high impact news on the euro. ECB press conference, that's the European Central Bank, and then monetary policy statements, and then main refinancing rate. I'm not really familiar with refinancing rate, but I know monetary policy is basically there are basically two types of policies in an economy: fiscal and monetary policy. Monetary policies are basically the ones set by the central bank, and then fiscal policies are the ones the government set to regulate financing the economy. So that's why the monetary policy is a very high impact. So you guys should watch out for that. Volatility might be high or can be high. Yeah, and then we have mid-impact news around 1:30. Unemployment claims. Now, unemployment is very important because it's one of like the big indicators of economic growth. So that's why it's mid-impact news on the USD around 1:30. Then by 4 p.m. we have high impact news. Yeah, it's Bank of Canada governor. Yeah, governor of Bank of Canada speech. So speeches are very unpredictable. So you guys should just watch out. Now, this high impact news, if you don't have a fundamental strategy, like a news trading strategy, just stay away from it. Or if you have any setup you see, you can just take the setup, but the risk very low. Another way you can do it, if you're already in a trade, you can exit the trade in partials, or just move your stop loss towards break even, because anything can happen in the market at that time. Yeah. So now, without further ado, let's jump on the charts on TradingView, and then let's see what we have today. So we start with AED USD. Can you guys see my charts?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Since I think it's on Monday that we highlighted this high and this low down here, and price has just been inside that range since. So it's not really, I was expecting price to come and retest this neckline here and then flush to the upside, but then it did not happen. So this one, that price is just inside one box. It's really, really sad. But then if we're going to look at the most recent, let me look at the 4H and see what's doing basically. The 4H, okay, the 4H is inside the range. Yeah, but then if we come to the 1H, if we come to the 1H and we want to be technical, like we want to pay serious attention, then we can see that price failed to break above there and then broke the structure to the downside. But then now price is still coming inside this range again. Two things: price might react around the golden ratio. Let's see what's around the golden ratio. Nothing really. The golden ratio is just there. Let me go to the 15 minutes and see if there's anything price can react from around that point. Not really. There's a neckline up here, kind of like a neckline on the 15 minutes, but I wouldn't vouch for that to hold. You get. So for now, AUD USD, nothing really to talk about. So I'm going to like sit out on AUD USD, and then it's showing me bullish sentiments. Look at all these powerful bullish candles. So I will just calm down. All these powerful bullish rejection candlesticks. So I'm just going to calm down for now. Let me see. There's nothing really to trade. And then if you look at it on the 4H2, look at that bullish rejection candlestick. So I'm going to sit out on AUD USD for now, and then wait for more markets and more price action to decide what I'm going to do on it. Then let's take a look at NZD. NZD USD2 is kind of similar. Yep, still in that range. So I'll still wait for more structures to be broken. But NZD USD, I'll be watching out for this high here, and then not this low again. It will be this low instead. This one. Those are going to be the two places those are the two places I'm going to be looking out for. Basically here and below here. So what I'm going to watch out for is how price behaves anytime it gets to this point. If it breaks and retests, fine, I'll continue. If it comes down to this point again and breaks and retests, fine, I'll continue. Let me see what's the RSI saying. The RSI is showing that price wants to come. Anyhow, let's go to Euro USD. Euro USD disappointed me when I woke up this morning. Yeah, because I was expecting something like this. We had a shift in market structure here. And then I was expecting that retest, that very sweet retest, and then price going back to continue. But price came, did what I did not understand here, and then broke it to the upside. Now it's coming to the downside again. I really don't even understand. Anyhow, I'm going to be watching out for this low. Once price breaks it to the downside, yeah. If price break it to the downside, I'll be watching out for that retest for the continuation. That's basically what I'm going to be watching out for on this thing. Euro USD. Yeah. Because even to the upside, I'm not going to rate the break to the upside. I'll just watch the break to the downside instead. Let's go to GBP USD. See the man himself. GBP USD wants to do that up move, but GBP USD still, I don't know, it's still contemplating. I don't even know whether it's contemplating because we had, okay, we don't really have on the 1 hour, we don't really have entry signals on the 1 hour. But then the whole thing is just kind of shit. It's just reacting from this level since it has been reacting from this level. It has been reacting from this level since. I don't know. And then it's not even showing somebody any clear entry criteria. So last, I'm going to sit out on GBP USD2 for a while. But then if you look at this here, it's this whole slow movement to the downside here is just a clear indication that this is just a correction of this impulsive move. It's like the retracement. Just see 2 candles made this move, maybe 3 candles made this move, and see how many candles are still struggling to fill it up. So I know this thing is going to move up, but then it's that time, the time that is going to move up, that is the problem. For it to give us that entry criteria too is becoming very hard. So anyhow, let's just keep an eye on GBP USD because I have that, there's that whole strong feeling that this thing is going to buy, you get. But then it's the time that it's going to buy that we don't know. So let's all just sit out and wait for it. Let it do what it wants to do. I will see how we are going to catch it. Anyhow, that being said, I've looked at all my pairs. Do you guys understand the analysis on all of them?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. What pairs do you guys want me to take a look at, and what questions do you guys have?
Let's try and check USD JPY.
USD JPY. Okay, someone said gold. Let's take a look at gold and we'll take a look at your USD JPY here.
Okay, sir.
I think we did an analysis on gold now. We did one kind of analysis yesterday on gold, but I think I deleted it before we finished. Now, if you watch what gold is doing, yeah, gold basically pushed up, came down, and then pushed up again, and then now it's breaking the structure to the downside. I would like to see a clear break. Then once I see that whole clear break, I'll be paying attention to this level here. And once I see that clear break of structure to the downside, yeah, sorry, that break of structure to the downside, I'll wait for the retest. Then I will ride it. That's basically what I watch out for on gold. That's if I'm going to trade gold. No, as you guys know, I don't trade gold. So for those that want to trade it, that's basically how I'm going to attack it. Someone said, Mustafa, I said USD card, but I'll be USD JPY.
USD JPY.
Okay, the market is kind of shifting. but then it has not broken any this thing yet, any low yet. It's still in that process yet. So let's just wait. The market might just bounce off from here and continue to the upside, or it might break it to the downside. Then we can target that retest. That's basically what I'll be looking out for on USDJPY. Yeah, break and the retest, or it might just bounce off and continue to the upside. So it's good to be patient and wait and see what it does. Then someone said AED card and USD card. Okay, AED card. Wait, before we go to AED card, let's take a look at the 4H on this thing. Let's see whether we have rejection candle. Oh, there's no rejection candle. There's no clear bearish pin bar or engulfing candle, so it's not clear. So it's better to wait and see what it does instead of just entering aggressively. USD card.
Okay.
USD card. What is pairs? What is pairs? What is pairs? The annoying thing is that this pair is still inside this range. It's still inside this range. It's still inside this range. It's still inside this range. And then all this small minor structure inside. Now this one is breaking it to the upside. If it breaks clearly, then you can wait for that retest around the golden ratio for the continuation. That's basically what I'm going to say. But still trade it within this range. If you are taking a buy, just target the top of this range. Don't target more than the top of that range, because it might just react from here and continue to the downside. We're taking a look at AED card next, but then someone asked a question: what would be your advice to do if the market does not give a good entry or moves in the direction you're waiting for, like on GU, like an impulse? Then we leave it alone, honestly, because like I used to say, we're here for high probability setups. Do you understand? Anything can happen in the market. The fact that we have established that is going to is showing us signals that it's going to go up. It might go up. That's basically what it's telling us. But then we are not 100% sure that it's going to go up. Do you understand? None of us know what it's going to do next. So it's better safe than sorry. It's better to stay away and then makes the move and then wait for what the next move. Do you understand? See, the thing is it's the Forex market. Yeah. If GU doesn't give me that opportunity, another pair is going to give me that opportunity. I have that confidence. Experience has taught me that it's better to leave the rubbish opportunities and look for what the clear opportunities, because the clear opportunities are going to come. Do you understand? They will always come. So just keep calm. Don't worry about it. Then USD card. USD card. You have looked at USD card. Now it's AED card you're supposed to look at next. This one is doing almost the same thing as USD card. It's just this whole sloping thing. Yeah. For much. See, the thing is, if you look at it here, FOMO is not really what it do. We are still having this whole sloping kind of market formation. I don't know, people that use trend line to trade, I think this would be like their best time to trade. But I don't use trend line to trade. I'm not a trend line person. Let's see. Let me see at the top here. Please let me not go and start doing analysis on top strategies that I don't used to use. For me, yeah, there's really nothing here. This thing, there's nothing for me to trade here. So I'm going to sit out on it. That's the last pair we're going to take a look at today. So, guys, please, people should stay safe in the market. Always keep an open mind here. If you don't see clear opportunities, like I said, don't take anything. Sit out. Clear opportunities are going to come. If they don't come today, they will come tomorrow. Do you understand? I think it was yesterday in class I was telling you guys that not trading every day is one of the quirks of being a trader. It's one of the good things of being a trader. Do you understand? You get to do things the way you want to do it. So give yourself that freedom. Don't pressure yourself. You get. Someone said, is it also normal for price to not retest a movement before going impulsive like Euro card? Yes, it's normal. If you are in this thing, Euro card, let's see, what did the Euro card do? Okay, yeah, Euro card did not come deeper. and then it started moving up. It's normal. It's always normal. And then you see that Eurocard did not even retest that area that was broken. It went, failed to retrace deeper, and then what? It's impossible. It's normal. Do you get? But the time that it retraces deeper for you to catch it. Honestly, don't hesitate. That's basically what I'll tell you. But all these times that it doesn't, don't worry. There will be a day that it will come and retrace deeper, and that day that it retraces deeper for you to catch it, you'll be there to catch it. Honestly, do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
So that being said, please, you guys should take care of yourselves. And please, those that will be watching this on YouTube, like and subscribe to the channel. And then I'll be dropping the link to the group chat. Let me drop the link to the group chat. That's where I drop most of the updates. Get the link and drop it. If you have not joined, join. Invite. Okay. So let me drop it in the chat section. Good. Yep.
Can you show me please, one more time?
What?
Good. Can you show me good one more time?
Okay, good.
Yes,
That's,
uh,
okay. This is basically what I said on gold, yeah. Gold is retesting a higher low, yeah, and we're waiting for that clear break of the higher low to get. Once we see that clear break of the higher low, we can attack the retest, wait for price to get to that point again, and then we'll watch out for an entry criteria. If we see it, then we take that sell, yeah, and write it down. That's basically what I have on gold. That's why I drew this whole stuff on gold. So for now, the break we have not seen that clear break yet. So let's wait for the clear break. Do you understand? Okay, cool. Oh, okay, guys. Thank you very much for attending this session. Catch you guys same time tomorrow, 8 a.m. If you have not joined the group, I dropped the link in the chat section. You can join it. You can follow the Instagram page at 123_forex. Let me drop it. 123. That's the Instagram page. No, it's 2x, not 1x. Let me drop the correct one. Yeah, that's the Instagram page. So please, you guys keep an open mind to the market. Like I see, the only thing that is sure here is that anything can happen when it comes to the forex market. Don't want to lose what's going to happen next. So always what targets the high probability setups and leave the ones that are shitty. The good ones are always going to come, but if you focus more on the shitty ones, you are going to end up chopping all the profits you make from the good ones. So please take care of yourselves, guys. Catch you tomorrow. Bye, guys.